Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode of Burn Second. Today we're going to be doing the last 3 levels, and yay, I have a tablet stand. I shall see this all handle. Fuck. What?
Well, the good bird is a dead bird.
It must be this one. Right. Let's go. Yeah, I've got a tablet stand now, so that means I can do much more complicated games without having to focus on keeping the tablet stand. Oh, sorry for being a bit quiet. I might only get like 2 videos done today because they're not going out Christmas shopping like they were last time. I think they're just going on to normal shopping a lot of the time, so I don't have as much time free. Tablets still works alright as well, I think. Well, this means I can play like Red Factor and actually do it well. So this is what's good. Really?
What the hell?
Okay. Oh yeah, it's in my most popular videos, almost got 69 views.
Cool.
I know it's got 68. 68 though, that's good for me. I'm happy about that.
Yeah, you probably watched it 68 times.
Dude, it's a 3-minute long video on Pokemon Ruby, the original Ruby. It's a shit video, but it's just because I titled it, it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Now you have to title one of your videos next, and whatever else, and all those.
What's 9 plus 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take this. That's the way I get views.
Why is the window cleaner in here?
Because obviously someone's just cleaned the windows. Don't fucking spray me with it.
Hasn't got any. So let's spit the telly.
Don't fucking spray the telly either. It doesn't like smudge your tellies or some shit. So it's gonna go bang.
Oh, reminds me, I wanted to burn that powder I found.
Oh, what the fuck, Davis?
I'll be 1 minute.
Oh no. Fuck, he's gonna go set fire or something. Happy go lucky me. Singing now. Come on, mum, 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 mum.
I was just about to say this is my first band from 2016. What is that, 2016?
What is it? Is it 31st December?
The 31st.
Oh yeah. And I think I might start doing vlogs though as well.
That is 100%.
I'm not. I've not on vlog although nothing happens in my life. Because like, all I do is I'll sit on Pokemon for like an hour and I won't actually read anything. Well, I'll
do a tour with y'all. You know what now? I was going to say something there, but
What, do a tour of my trousers? I do a tour of my trousers. All my viewers I think are guys. I mean, Connor might be a faggot, but yeah, emphasis on Connor and emphasis on faggot. I don't know. I think Connor views my channel anyway. I mean,
you broke my Lego as well, please. No one has found it. It's like 20 pieces.
It's like a 20-piece speeder bike does.
Someone's broke a piece off.
Okay, right, I was just checking the time, it's like 7 minutes. I've got this one, I've got another one. Yeah, I'm just gonna speed run this bitch. Oh, never mind. Yeah, let's get away from the tablet. Okay, last level, yay. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm gonna do the last level with the first gun. Now. Fucking. Okay, that ostrich started to kill me. What the fuck? I thought it was like some anime, like whatever, abridged thing. Jake, it's a black paedophile. Do you know, I think I'm gonna fail this because I've used the first gun you get to try and kill an ostrich, and it just completely butt-fucked me. I just thought this is a YouTube series and I can only make videos 15 minutes long, so I need to like speed run every single one.
Do Undertale. That seems to be popular.
Fuck Undertale, dude.
Oh.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Oh, stick up. Fucking turkeys. Yeah, I'm gonna fail this level terribly. It doesn't have like just like carpet the floor in birds. And I can't actually see where precisely the fuck I'm going. Okay, bye. Oh fuck, this is the second half of the level, I think. I'm just gonna fucking death machine everything it is.
But my bath's taken for like ever to run. It's only up to like net height.
My dog!
No, it's a chicken.
Okay, sure. No, no. Oh, fuck.
Not very good at this game.
What? It's alright, it doesn't help that this ostrich is twice as fucking hard because he has a gun. Fucking suck a dick, stay away from me. Fuck you. Fucking Bin Laden this shit. Yeah, I just did not have enough health to do this. Fuck. Well, pretty much done that level. Fuck this series, I'm done.